Hello students, today I am going to take up lesson 4 of English literature, Mulan. It is a Chinese folk tale based on women's empowerment. It is a story of a courageous young girl named Mulan who acted selflessly, bravely and cleverly in order to protect her family and country. Before starting the story, let me introduce the characters in this story. Huazo, Mulan's father. Tuli Khan, a Hun leader. Huali, Mulan's adopted name. Faling, the commanding officer. Zhang a trusted soldier. A long time ago, in the state of Northern Wei in ancient China, there lived a beautiful young girl named Mulan. Her father Huazu was a general in the Imperial Chinese army, had just returned from a very long battle. In spite of being tired and injured, he never lost an opportunity to train his daughter to be a strong and brave girl. One day, news comes that the Hun had invaded China. Invaded means attacked. Huns were the nomadic people who lived in Central Asia. So, the Chinese emperor released an order. The terrible Hun, Tuli Khan's army, is wreaking havoc on our northern borders. So, one able man from every family has to join the army. Hearing the order, Mulan realized that her father was too old and tired to fight in another battle, and her brother was too young. So she decided to become Huali to protect her family and her country. She disguised herself as Huali, and in the quiet darkness of the night, Mulan rode away on her father's trusted horse. At the army training camp, Mulan practiced with trained soldiers. 2 months later, Mulan's efforts were rewarded, and she was appointed as second in command by the commanding officer, Faling. One night, Tuli Khan's men attacked the camp. Mulan fought fiercely to defend the camp. Faling and others joined in, and in a fierce conflict, Tuli Khan's men were defeated and they went away quickly. The commanding officer Faling praised Huali for the bravery. He ordered her to stay in command there as he was going to check the situation with his few soldiers as it looked like Tuli Khan had come very close. 2 weeks later, one of Tuli Khan's battalions attacked a fort guarded by Faling. Faling and his soldiers fought bravely. Faling sent a soldier back to the camp asking Huali to send some ammunition and supplies. Huali sent the supply to Commander Faling through her trusted soldier Zhang and warned him to be very cautious to protect the supply as Tuli Khan's men were very close to them. However, Tuli Khan heard of the large consignment and his men ambushed Zhang. Ambush means to attack somebody after hiding and waiting. Zhang returned back and informed Huali about this. Huali thought of a plan to get the supplies back. The next day, at Tuli Khan's camp, Mulan pretended to surrender. She said, General Khan, I have come to surrender. I will be punished for this huge loss. Please protect me. I will be loyal to you. Tuli Khan was not ready to believe Mulan immediately, so he decided to test her. He asked, Now, how can I believe you? Bring me the entire stock of supplies from your base camp now. The next day Mulan arrived with the first load of food and fodder loaded on the horses. Tuli Khan was very pleased. Mulan said, "Sir, my men are shipping the rest supplies across the Hishui River." But the supplies wasn't delivered even after 4 hours. The general lost his patience and got angry. Mulan said, "Sir, why don't you come to the river yourself? I am not as commanding as you. They will obey you." The arrogant Khan believed Mulan's words. With a small army of his soldiers, he crossed over the Hishui River, and in no time, Huali's soldiers were hiding among the supplies overpower Khan. Mulan and her men took the captives and retrieved supplies to Commander Faling's fort. Faling praised Huali to the emperor. At the court, happy emperor said to Huali, "You will be my supreme commander now. Ask whatever you wish." Mulan answered, "Your Majesty, all of us fought and won together. I have served my country, now I must return to my old parents and do my duty as their child." The emperor granted Mulan permission to go home. At home, her proud father welcomed his brave daughter Mulan.